All right, we're back again, and we are working on a 2018 Cadillac Escalade, and we're going to put a brake controller in through Curt. I was doing a little bit of research online, and it looked like this one is a real clean look and doesn't take a lot of room. I only seen one other video, but it looks pretty easy. So I figured, we'll get it, and we'll mount this thing. These are all the parts it comes with, not many. A couple pads, a little connector, a little screw and grommet that pulls in and mounts this. And then it has one that comes on it that must be for sticky tape or something, but we're not going to use that. We're going to pop that off. I think we just get a little screwdriver, stick in these little slots and pop that out. I was looking, and if you mount it on that flat surface, the shifter might be in the way. And kind of copying a guy online, really slick. He's got it right here, and it looks really nice. So I think that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna mount it right here. There's a couple holes to drill in the plastic, and boom, be right there. I already went underneath and looked, and there's nothing there. Just a bunch of plastic, thick plastic, but this is all open, so feel free to drill 2 holes in there, and I think they're 5/16 is what it said, so let's do that. All right, make sure you have yourself a 5/16. So what you need, 5/16 drill bit. The hole was really, so it's this little grommet, little expand the bolt, whatever. That's what the 5/16 is really for, to hold the plastic in. So we're going to do it just like this. We're going to make sure, it doesn't really matter if you put it on top or bottom. It looks like you can put it wherever you want, either the hole on top or the bottom. So we're probably going to put it on the bottom. Alright, I don't know if you can really see it. Yeah, you can kind of see the little mark. So I put it up there. I marked the center first. I'm going to drill that one first, and then I can get this to where I want it, make sure it's up and down straight, and then I'll drill my second one. So here we go. Alright, there it is. There's my first hole. So there's not a lot of room in here, so if you're doing an Escalade, make sure you have a small bit. The regular size does not work, so I had to do a little bit of improvising. I drilled it with a small one, then I had to just make it just a little bit bigger. That's what I had, so it does work. It's in there. The center hole is for the wire to go through, so the second one needs to be exactly 5/16 so that the cord grip will grip on it when you screw it in and tighten it down. So let's do the second one. We'll mark it and then we'll drill it. All right, there it is. There's the second hole. So we got our 2 holes. I'll clean them out just a little bit, and then we will put our screw. We'll just stick this in there, and we'll get that to seat in there. And then we'll screw it down, tighten it down, feed the wire through there, pull it out through the back side, and we'll have that mounted. So I ain't gonna lie, make sure you get yourself a small bit if you're doing an Escalade. I mean, really, you need a bit that's long. I had to sacrifice one just so I can get up in there, and got too much stuff in the way to get a regular drill up in there. My way up and back. Try to do it up, down, but got them both in. So wire in that one, and a little grommet with a little screw in that one. So let's mount it. Just let you know, poke that through right there. Just push it through, and then we'll slide that into there. Push that into there as far as you can get it, and then we'll get a screwdriver and push that in and then screw it in, and there it is. It's mounted. Alright, I should be able to push it in as we turn it. sorry. Okay, it's biting now. Oh yeah, sucked it right in. Oh man, that thing's tight. Wow. It's good. Good, good, good. Alright, let me grab the other part. Alright, I got the other part. It's got this sticker on it. And I should have tried it, but I bet I'm going to have to pull that off. Because these all right here have to get through there. That's going through easy, but I bet that is not. Let's see if we can get it in there. Oh, heck no. Alright, hang on. Alright, so it pretty much just pulls right off. I had to peel it out a little bit, but we'll stick it back on once we get it through the hole and pull it down. So, let's do what you probably want to see, don't you? Alright. Might get a little bit messy here. But let's see. It's going somewheres. Pretty cool. Alright, let me just see where it's at before I... Alright, there we go. It's in, just snaps right on there, line her up, boom, it's beautiful. Looks like OEM right there. That's a good spot. Thanks to the other YouTuber who I got the idea from. Now I just gotta put this in, put this little clip together with this little piece right here. So I'm gonna do that. And it's on the instructions right there, so it's not too bad. Just follow the instructions and it should be a piece of cake. I'll be back. Alright, this is gonna be interesting. So we will try. So you got that piece right there, and let's see what does the instructions say. Alright, so I put it like that. No wire. Okay, just like that. Alright. So there is little tabs on there. Can't really see them, but they're little, so they gotta line up. It's kind of dark in here. Alright, so spot 2. Let's see which way they go. Okay, you can kind of see it. Oh, yeah, that ain't coming out either. Let's get that in there. Alright, so white, green. White, green, red. What was that, orange? Oh, it's not. Yeah, it says orange, but it says brown. Looks like orange to me. Red, black, blue, green, brown. Yeah, so this brown is actually an orange. Because we got blue, black, red. Okay. So green, 4 is brown. Just actually looks like an orange, but that's what it is. And then got blue. Yeah, you probably can't see me, but that's alright. I'm just trying to get these in here. Then you got black and red. So there's black. And there's our red. Where's our chintzy? Having a hard time with this red one. There we go. Gotta wiggle it a little bit, get it in there. I don't think my black one was in right, because it just popped right out. This is kind of a pain, but it's working. Let me get a little screwdriver and try to tweak this. Because they're in there, so that last one is just not wanting to get up in there. I think they got to go till it hits the end of that, so then they got to go in a little bit further. So let me get a tweaker. It really is going to be like this. So you got your paper, and then you got that. So the color looks right. Just have to see if I can get them wires in there a little bit more, because they do. See that little silver part sticking out? Mine are not sticking out, so I need to get something to see if I can help that a little bit. I'll be right back. So all I'm gonna say on that one is be really careful with them little pieces and make sure you get them in right the first time, because I had to do a little bit of dazzle magic. Once you get them in there, once you get the ends all in, kind of blurring in and out a little bit, just snap it shut. And there they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Or 6. 3 and 3, 6. Yeah, okay, we got 6. All right, and it's supposed to just plug right into the back of that, and little pins. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 2 empties. Oh, 8 slots. Okay. I don't know what the 1 and 2 is for just yet, but we'll figure that out. Oh goodness. All right. I wish I could figure out where to mount all this stuff at. And I already got my other one in there. It goes. Shoot. The other one is right there. Is the little wiring harness you get. Pops right in there. Red and white one that you can see. Just snaps right in. It's a spot for it. zip tie it up, and here's the other spot right here. So that plugs into that, and this plugs into that, and then we'll get everything zip tied up there, and whew, we'll be done. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, that was a little challenging, but it still should be a really simple project. I mean, everything goes together, just some little chintzy little ends, put it in a little connector, but once you get it all in, that just snapped in. That side plugs in to the harness. The harness plugs in right there. Pretty much plug and play at that point. I zip tied some wires to some, just so it's not dangling up there. Alright, just running a little bit of test, make sure stuff is working, because it wasn't really working sitting still, but it's definitely working now. And actually working pretty nice, smooth, adjustable. I think I get to learn it a little bit, but it's easy too. You just, if you want to manually, just push the manual thing, and just trailer brakes are working pretty good, pretty slick. And there it is. And just a little side note, make sure you test this out with the trailer hooked up, because I unhooked and doesn't really do anything unless I manually push it, but then it still really doesn't do anything. So it's a smart controller as well. Just thought I'd throw it in there. So until the next video, please like and subscribe. Almost to 1,000. Gotta work at it though. Gotta work at it. See ya.